Okay, so for Firefly, this is kind of a review piece, which means you've already learned everything on that. But the big thing we want to do on this is we're going to learn something called transposing. And transposing is moving it from one scale to another scale. So I'll show you with Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So we can play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star in the C scale. Right? I can move it up to my G scale, which also has no sharps or flats. Right? I can move it to my D scale, which has one sharp. I can pretty much play it all over the piano. So you can hear that all over the piano. Now, I'm not going to have you do Firefly in all those different scales. We're just going to do it in our C scale and our G scale because the G scale is nice and has no sharps or flats in the 5 fingers, just like the C scale. Okay, so the first time we play it, it's going to be in the C scale, and I'm going to play it for you. I'm going to do it so that you can see my hands, because hopefully that works better. So you see if I can pull it back enough, I'm going to be in the C scale right here. Okay, and here's Firefly. Good. Then once you get comfortable with that, I want you to move it into the G scale. And what we're going to do that is you'll play by your finger numbers and by your steps and your skips. So you notice our first note here is a 5 finger in the G scale. So you see that 5 right there. And our first note in our left hand is the 1 finger in that left hand. So we'll be in the G scale. And you notice my 5 fingers right there. 5, 5, skip down, 4, 4, skip down, step up, repeat, skip down, skip up, step down, repeat, 1. Do you kind of see how that fits with the music? One, 1, skip down, 3, okay, and you notice how it had the same melody, just different notes, okay? So when you get comfortable playing it in the C scale, I want you to move it up to that G scale and try playing it in the G scale.